Yo, what is up? Today, we're disguising a turkey. You ready to go? One, two, three.
One,
Two, three.
Hi, crafty kidsers.
Disguised turkey. So Odin went with a pile of snow. I don't see a turkey. All I see is a pile of snow.
Right, look in
Oh, you
there.
can see him if you look really close. Did you have fun, Odin?
Yeah.
Yeah. I had fun helping you out. It was a family project. Odin obviously went with a pile of snow. What a great idea. We forgot to color the turkey before we put the snow on. Kind of a big mistake because it ended up being a lot of pieces of like this snow that we're using. It's a little cottony type stuff.
Cotton.
That ended up getting colored. We had already put glue all over everything. It's kind of a mess, but I think it came out great. One last look. Boom! Pile of snow, right, buddy?
Yeah.
All right, until we see you next time, keep drawing, stay awesome. Bye!